Subscribe to Auto Vibe channel right now and hit the bell so you never miss deep dives into legendary machines, because here on Auto Vibe channel, we celebrate classic and modern vehicles with passion, history and real driving stories for true car lovers across the United States. Today, we are rolling back the clock to explore the Buick Master 6, a car that represents the heart of American engineering during the late 1920s and early 1930s, when reliability, comfort, and style were becoming just as important as raw mechanics. The Buick Master 6 was positioned as an affordable yet refined automobile, aimed at families, professionals, and long-distance drivers who wanted dependability with a touch of luxury. Under the hood, it featured a straight-six engine, which was a major selling point at the time because six-cylinder power delivered smoother operation compared to four-cylinder rivals. The engine displacement varied slightly by year, but generally produced around 60 horsepower, which may sound modest today, yet was more than capable for highway cruising in its era. The overhead valve design, known as valve and head technology, set Buick apart and helped improve breathing efficiency, durability, and performance. Power was sent through a 3-speed manual transmission that emphasized simplicity and strength. Drivers appreciated the smooth clutch engagement and the ability to maintain steady speeds on open roads. The rear-wheel drive layout, combined with a sturdy ladder frame, gave the Master 6 a planted, confident feel even on uneven rural routes that were common across America at the time. Suspension consisted of solid axles with semi-elliptic leaf springs front and rear, providing durability and load-carrying ability, while still offering a comfortable ride. One of the standout features of the Buick Master 6 was its build quality. Buick used high-grade steel bodies with attention to panel fit and long-term strength. Interiors were surprisingly well-appointed, featuring broad bench seats, trimmed in durable fabrics or leather depending on trim level. The dashboard was simple yet elegant, with easy-to-read gauges, reflecting Buick's focus on driver confidence and usability. Large steering wheels and upright seating positions made long drives less tiring and improved road visibility. In terms of braking, the Master 6 relied on mechanical drum brakes on all four wheels. While this system required proper adjustment, it delivered reliable stopping power for the speeds of the period. Buick also emphasized safety through balanced weight distribution and solid construction, which contributed to its reputation as a trustworthy family car. Many owners praise the vehicle for its longevity, often driving tens of thousands of miles with basic maintenance. Styling played a major role in the appeal of the Buick Master 6. The tall chrome grille, flowing fenders, and signature Buick badging gave it a premium appearance without pushing into luxury price territory. Paint options were rich and deep, often paired with contrasting wheels and trim that highlighted the craftsmanship. This visual presence made the car equally suitable for city streets and country homes. The Master 6 also reflected Buick's philosophy of accessible innovation. Features like improved cooling systems, better lubrication, and enhanced electrical components made ownership easier and more reliable. These advancements helped Buick build strong brand loyalty and position the company as a bridge between basic transportation and luxury motoring. Owners also valued the strong dealer network and parts availability, which further reduced ownership anxiety during a rapidly changing automotive age. Today, the Buick Master 6 is admired by collectors and historians as a symbol of American automotive progress. It represents a time when cars were becoming essential to everyday life, while still being built with pride and mechanical honesty. If you enjoy learning about classic vehicles that shape the roads we drive on today, then stay connected with us and subscribe again to Auto Vibe channel for more iconic car stories and automotive passion.